Alright guys, I'm half asleep and I'm super late, but I am taking the car in because my wife decided to give me an early Christmas gift. Super excited. And I'm taking this bad boy to get tinted. Alright, well this is it. Last time I'm going to be able to see outside of these windows, just all clear and nice like this. This car's stock and it's been this way since 1999, but it's time to go one notch up. I know it's not a huge customization, but listen, step by step. We did the wheels, we had the stereo installed, the dash repaired. Now we're getting the glass tinted. Like I said, it's an early Christmas gift. I'm super excited, so I'm going over to Leo Tinting in Tampa, and let's get this going. I'm running behind, so let's get it over to them. This car actually had a sun pass, I guess what you guys, maybe you guys don't live where there's toll roads, but it had like a toll road sticker right here, which allows you to go through the tolls. This was impossible to get off. It's been on there for probably over a decade, so I had to use Goo Gone and a razor blade, and it took forever to get out from behind the where the rear view mirror is. So finally got it off, and so they could do the strip across the top. So if you watch our last video, what we had repaired was this entire dash right here. It had the Sony stereo installed, so it's a 2012 head unit, but it was brand new in the box. I never installed it, so it's the first time I actually tried putting a USB in the stereo. It's pretty cool, you know. I can put a lot of music on a USB and then play it from the stick, which is kind of cool. All right, so we're pulling up right now on Leo Touch Tinting. There it is. All right, so we arrived, got the mask on. Let's go drop off the keys, and well, I guess we'll be sitting a little bit while they tint the car, but it's gonna be cool to see how it looks when they're all done. All right, so there it is. Last time you guys are gonna see it without tint. All right, so it's gonna be 15% around the back windows and the strip, and 30% on the side windows, guys. That's what we're going with, because that's the legal limit in Florida, and I don't feel like getting pulled over and getting tickets for no reason. All right, guys, due to COVID, they're not letting me inside to record, so the car was pulled into the bay. Now we just wait. So decided to go with 30% on the side windows and then 15% the rest of the way around. That's just the Florida limit now. I don't feel like getting tickets. I mean, as much as I want to hook the car up, I don't want to get pulled over. So we're gonna go with that legal limit, but that's cool. It's just another awesome step, getting the car where we want to get it. So here we are. I'm the only one here, so now we just wait. I can't wait to see what it looks like when it comes out. Nice. Yeah. It looks sick. All right, so the car is right there behind me. I'm about to go get my first looks at it, but so far it looks great from a distance. Super excited. Let's go check it out. All right, so first looks at the GT with the tint looks amazing, man. I love it. So let's see the strip in the front. It's 15%. Then they did 30 on the side windows and 15 all around. So just totally loving it. how it looks. Special thanks to my wife for this early Christmas gift, but it's so sick. It looks amazing. So I can't roll the windows down for a few days, obviously. It needs to cure, but they've put a nice little sticker there to make sure I don't screw it up. So just super duper excited. Wow, it already feels cooler in here. I love it. That's a pretty obvious difference there on the strip. So I'm glad I was able to get that toll sticker off. And they did a great job of just really getting all the corners really well. You know, a lot of times people take these simple customizations for granted. Matter of fact, you probably don't even consider them customizations because it's so common that every car comes with tint, but they don't. This car hasn't had tint since 1999. I love it. It feels so much better. And on top of that, it just makes the rims pop because they're darker, and now you can really see the shape of the car. So just want to give a special shout out to my beautiful wife, Nayo, for, you know, helping me further the build by just giving me an early Christmas gift in time for my family to see the car this Thanksgiving. It means a lot to me that she's doing that for me. So I hope you guys are enjoying the channel. I'm doing little steps, right? The stuff that I could do right away. So we've got the wheels, we've got the dash repaired, new stereo, and now tint. So who knows what's next, but I tell you what, man, we're going step by step. Love it. Let me go ahead and start driving home, and so I can show her how this looks.
In 3.1 miles, take exit 4 onto State Road 580 and Hillsborough Avenue.
All right, well, she's back in the garage, all tinted, looking beautiful. There you go. Just in time for the holidays. Big shout out to Leo Touch Tinting in Tampa. They did a great job. And if you guys like what you're seeing on this channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and I appreciate any comments that you want to leave. And I'll see you next time on Project 99. Bye.